Hello, girls.
Hi.
Where are you going?
Pick up cherries.
You're going to pick up the cherries?
Yes, let's go.
Let's go. Cherries. Cherries. Isabel, what do you have?
I have cherries.
Oh, cherries. Try it, try it. Put it on, put it in. How is it? So good.
And Ellie got new earrings. Do you like your new earrings? Uh-huh. I think this earring is as well tasty, right? I think this your earring must be tasty. I think it is. Hello. So beautiful, yeah. And did you try? Are they tasty? So is it tasty?
Don't go for the puppy. You pick up the cherries there. Isabel? Don't pick up the cherries? Pick. Now. Wow. Did you pick up those cherries, Ellie? You pick up or mommy pick up?
Watching my video. Please subscribe to my video. I love you all.